4:22 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Pleak, or near Rosenberg, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sugar Land, Missouri City, Rosenberg, Stafford, Richmond, Cal West, Pecan Grove, First Colony, Fresno, Mission Bend, Meadows Place, Meadville, Arcola, Pleak, Fairchilds, Beasley, Kendleton, Thompsons, Sienna, and New Territory. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. At 3:08